Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video I am going to present major discourses English. It is useful to 9th and 10th classes. Please like and subscribe channel. Click the bell button. English 9th and 10th classes major discourses. Choreography script based on textbook letter. Choreography script. Choreography basically is a dance form through which the performer or performers bring out certain themes. Identification of the main theme and stanza-wise themes. Identifying manifestation of the themes as instantaneous or events taken from real life. Identifying the characters involved in the events and their actions. Creating the setting through the actions of the chorus. Sequencing the actions. Choreography. Format of choreography script for 10 marks. Choreography script. Title of poem. Name of the author. Theme. Theme of each stanza. Stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3. Instantaneous of the theme. The locations or settings. Characters. Sequences of action. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3. Message. Read the following poem and write choreography script as per the format. Choreography script. Title of the poem. Or Will the Dreamer Wake? Name of the author. Medora Chaviller. Theme of the poem. The main theme of poem is dreamer, human to wake up and save the animals or else it will last to the density. Stanza wise theme. Stanza 1. The endangerment of the creatures tigress. Stanza 2. The humans have caused global warming and due to this the snow in the mountains are melting. Stanza 3. The man should protect the race of song thrush. Stanza 4. Man's indifferent attitude towards the creatures. Instantaneous. The tiger is sad because she has lost all her species except her cubs. The polar bear is eagerly waiting for the right moment to give birth to her cubs, which are going to be the last ones. The humans have caused global warming and due to this the snow in the mountains are melting. Location. Jungle, mountains, North Pole, ocean, tree. Characters involved. Tigress, polar bear cubs, the song thrush, the whale, modern man or future generation. Sequence of action. Scene 1. The chorus enters the stage and creates the visual effect of the anguish of the tigress. The tigress is glowing in pain. The cubs could be the last ones to freely live and roam and mate. Scene 2. The chorus enters the stage and creates the visual effect of the white bear in the mountain. The polar bear waits patiently to give birth to her cub though the galleries are crashing outside. The bear cubs could be the last ones to freely live and roam and mate. The chorus exits the stage. Scene 3. The chorus represents the west. The song thrush weaves her nest, waits for her partner lay eggs. The chick fly and die, no more chicks. The chorus exits the stage. Scene 4. The chorus pours themselves on the deep ocean of the south, including the direction south. The whale seems gives birth to its child. The great ocean shakes with the sound of the whale. The chorus exits the stage. Scene 5. The chorus represents the center of the four direction crossroads. The chorus points the choose to be decided up or down. The world is dying. The dreamer still continues to sleep. The chorus exists the stage. Message. You may say, I am a dreamer, but I am not the only one. I hope someday you will join us and the world live will as one. Letter. Letter model. Formal letter, informal letter. Format of informal letter. Place, date, salutation. Example, my dear. Body of the letter. Introduction. How are you? I am quite well here and hope that you are hale and healthy there. I have not received any letter from you for the last 2 months. What are the things with you? I have been prepared well for the examinations. I expect to top the class in all the subjects. What about you? Main content. Subscription. Example, yours lovingly. Super subscription. Address on the envelope. 2. Name, house number or street, village and post, district and pin code. Write a letter to your friend about your school annual day function. Letter, Redla Repaka. Date, 7th May 2020. My dear Manoj, how are you? I am quite well here and hope that you are well and healthy there. I have not received any letter from you for last 2 months. What are the things with you? I have been preparing for the SSC examinations. I accept the top class in the all subjects. What about you? In this letter, I would like to write to you about the annual day celebration held our school premises. Our headmaster presided over the function. He presented the school annual report highlighting the achievements and requirements of the school. We invited district collector as the chief guest. We also invited our MLA and DEO madam. The VIPs and the parents attended the function. The chief guest stressed the importance of developing good character. Our MLA and advised us to acquire good communication skills in English. The cultural programs followed. The audience did not leave their chairs till the end. Drop a letter soon. I am waiting for your reply. Convey my regards to your parents. Yours lovingly, Uday Kiran. Address 2. Name Manoj, son of Ravi. House number 2-148/A, Sainagar Colony, Bongir 508116. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.